Honesta Construction Sdn Bhd was established in 2017. Honesta Construction Sdn Bhd was established to venture into the development trade that specialized in civil engineering and construction work. Over the years, it's established a name as a reliable and economical contractor that systematically meets client satisfaction from each the public and private sectors. Honesta Construction Sdn Bhd is managed by a group of qualified and dedicated management. In addition, as technical professional then on. With strong knowledge and management skill within the construction industry, Honesta Construction Sdn Bhd can give the most effective service with integrity, advanced and mature construction experience, and scientific and economical management approach to customers. The mission of the Honesta Construction Sdn Bhd is to supply prime quality products and try to overcome the challenges in providing the most effective service to customers.
There are a few objectives that we can get from the task. First, to determine the 360R stainless steel mechanical property based on its structure. Second, to define the standard procedure to perform the tensile testing. Third, to research about the plot stress strain curve. Fourth, to analyze and describe the difference between the original and cold-rolled 360L tensile characteristic to microstructure relationship. Lastly, to propose the technique for improving and modifying the mechanical characteristic of 360L stainless steel. Now we will continue with the problem statement. Compared to chromium nickel austenitic stainless steel, 360L stainless steel offer higher grip, stress rupture and tensile strength at elevated temperature. There are two options of supply 360L stainless steel to be considered, which is original 360L stainless steel and cold-rolled 360L stainless steel. By reporting the performance of 360L stainless steel raw material based on the tensile test experimentation, we propose a possible strategy to modify the mechanical properties of 360L stainless steel material by considering the relationship between the structural characteristic and tensile behavior of the original 360L stainless steel and cold-rolled 360L stainless steel utilized for the structural component of the Petronas Twin Tower project.
To determine the performance of both material original and cold-rolled 316L stainless steel, both specimens will perform tensile tests until it deforms and tension up to fracture. So the diagram shows the stress strain curve of original 316L stainless steel 2.0 mm that construct until its maximum load of 10.386 kN up to its fracture. By determining the maximum stress, the tensile strength obtained is 565.238 megapascal. By using the same curve, the modulus of elasticity is 232,800 megapascal. To determine the yield strength, a line is drawn parallel to the elastic slope line with an offset of 0.2%. The yield strength obtained from this curve is 279.36 megapascal, while for the ductility percentage calculated is 22.129%. Next, for the cold-rolled 316L stainless steel 1.0 mm stress strain curve. The curve is construct up to its maximum load of 8.025 kN. From the curve, by determining the maximum stress, the tensile strength obtained is 984.28 megapascal, while for the modulus of elasticity is 207,863 megapascal. By using the same method as original 316L stainless steel, yield strength obtained from this curve is 976.956 megapascal, and the ductility percentage calculated is 1.948%.
In expansion, cold rolling could be a sort of metalworking that is used to decrease the thickness of metal sheets. Cold rolling can be utilized to create high-quality surface wrapping up sheets, strips, and foils. The ductile quality of cold-rolled 316L stainless steel was higher than an original 316L stainless steel. I mean, cold rolling Cold rolling, despite increment in cold roll 316L stainless steel quality and hardness may be due to the presentation of microstructure de-engagement and overwhelming plastic distortion. The original 316L stainless steel includes a lower surrender quality than cold roll 316L stainless steel. It seems in nearly each case the yield of quality of 316L stainless steel cold roll increment as the grain measure diminishes. The initial 316L stainless steel microstructure is larger than the cold roll 316L stainless steel microstructure, showing that the cold roll test has gotten more boundaries than the first test. When there are more grain boundaries, the more prominent the quality will be.
In conclusion, cold rolled 316L stainless steels are better as its mechanical properties and tensile properties are improved. Next, by comparing for both samples of the original and the cold rolled 316L grade stainless steel, the obvious difference between them is the size of grain. Lastly, as the metal is shaped at the lower temperature, the steel's hardness, resistant against tension breaking, and the resistance against deformation are all increases due to hardening. That's all. Thank you.